provision to connect to a backend database to fetch records, to insert records into the backend database, or to update records in the backend database, or select records from the backend database and display it. Right. So again, in today's lab class, we'll be working with Python and SQL. Right. So let me teach you how to work with Python and SQL. So let me share the screen. Right. So today's class is going to be working with Python and SQL. So the procedure to follow in working with Python with SQL is like initially you need to establish a connection to the database, right? So first you initially need to establish a connection to the database using the user ID and password. Then you need to create an object for your database. Then you can execute the SQL query and you can fetch the records from the result and informing the database if you have made any changes in the table, right? So these are the steps to establishing the connection to the backend database, creating an object of your database, executing the SQL query, fetching the records of the SQL query, and informing the database if any changes are made in the table.